Tonight, we will enjoy and have a light and very relaxing night. So, to get started this game show, please meet our players. The first player is Carl. Siyempre, di pa pauli si Baby Josh. And our third and last contestant, Pat! After we meet our players, it's time to introduce our bluffers. The first bluffer, Liza, sobra sa braso! Our second bluffer, Dagul! Siyempre, di pa pauli, Jake Saido! And players, I will discuss to you the mechanics of the game. In round 1, may sayaw ka. In round 1, this is called factor bluff. So each player will choose one of the bluffers here to answer the question. And if they kung mali, bluff, kapag tama, facts. In round 2, this is called word war. So in word war, jumbled letters, wala ng mga players. Okay, let's start our round 1. And this is called the fact or bluff. The first player to answer the question is Carl. Okay? Please choose a prayer. The first player, sundin mo. Push mo yan. And the third, hirap eh.
Sundin mo.
Sundin mo! This is your question. Wow! For sundin mo question, having a mission statement as well as strategic objectives provides the top management a sense of direction as to what to achieve. Given this, the next challenge is to blank strategies in order to achieve the objectives in the short term and the vision mission in the long term. Carl, please choose a bluffer.
Dagul.
Dagul! Dagul, what is your answer to the question?
So yung answer ko sa question is graph. Sa
Ayun!
Yan na yun. Sa pag-formulate ng top management ng vision and mission, so pagkatapos nun, kailangan nilang i-craft yung strategy para maka-formulate sila ng right path para sa bubuhay nilang mas concrete na solution dun sa or magpo-provide dun sa nila, sa top management nila. So,
And then,
answer is graph.
Ano naman masasabi ni Liza? Sobra sa braso.
Ako, feeling ko change yan eh. Kasi tingnan nyo, sense of direction, paiba-iba tayo ng direction ngayon.
Ano naman yung masasabi ni Jake Cyrus?
Sa akin, sunod plan. Kasi, galing sa natin eh, subject natin, strategic plan, audit plan.
Now, or, is it a fact or a bluff?
Fact!